So guys, hello once again. Okay, welcome. Okay, so this video, let's learn some basic words to translate from English to Filipino, to Visayan, to Boholano, to Surigao, to Waray, and to Ilonggo. Okay, so we will go first. Simple words for greetings. Okay, so we have to greet first. Okay, so when you say good in English, then in Filipino that's maganda, and then in Visayan that's maayo or maayong with ng. Then Boholano that's maaju, or you're going to add ng again, maajong. Then when you go to Surigaonians, you'll say marajao. Okay, then in Waray you'll say maupay. Okay, then in Ilonggo you'll say maayo. Same with Visayan, maayong or maayo. Okay, so that is good. I will say good morning. Let's go first with morning. So say morning in English, in Filipino umaga, then in Visayan buntag, then in Boholano it's still buntag, and then in Surigao it's still buntag, and then in Waray it's already aga. Okay, so aga is morning. Then to Ilonggo that's still aga. Okay, now let's combine these two words to make it into a greetings. So you'll say good morning. So that's in English. Then in Filipino you'll say magandang umaga. Okay, then in Visayan you'll say maayong buntag. Okay, maayong buntag. The maayo you add ng. Okay, so maayong buntag. Then in Boholano, change Y to J. J as in jar. Okay, so you'll change it. You'll say it maaju. Oh, de maaju. Maaju plus ng. You'll say maajong buntag. Okay, then in Surigao, the good is marajao. So you'll say marajao na buntag. Okay, marajao na buntag. Okay, and then in Waray you'll say maupay haaga. Okay, then in Ilonggo you'll say maayong aga. Okay, maayong aga. Okay, see the difference? Okay, so this time, how about if we greet all? We say all of you. Okay, so we will say in English, good morning to all of you. Okay, then in Filipino we'll say magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Okay, and then if Visayan, you'll say maayong buntag kaninyong tanan, or maayong buntag ninyong tanan. Okay, then in Boholano you'll say maajong buntag kaninjong tanan, or maajong buntag ninjong tanan. Then you'll say it in Waray, maupay haaga. Okay, ha inyong tanan. Okay, hatanan, sorry, again, maupay haaga hatanan. Okay, that's the correct one. Okay, then in Ilonggo you'll say maayong aga sa tanan, or maayong aga ninyong tanan. How about if I will say good evening? Okay, I will say the evening in Filipino that is gabi. Then in Visayan, yeah, in Visayan that is gabi. Then in Boholano gabi. Then in Surigao duyo. Then in Waray gabi. Okay. Then, sorry, gabi. So, gabi. Same with Filipino, gabi. Then, Ilonggo, gabi. Okay, gabi. So, let's do this. Good evening. Then, say in Filipino, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Then, in Visayan, maayong gabi. Then, in Boholano, maadjong gabi. And then, in Surignon, marajaw na duyom. Marajaw na duyom. Then, in Waray, maupay hagabi. Atanan. No? Maupay hagabi. Then, in Ilonggo, maayong gabi. Then, that's it, guys. So, about if we'll say, good day to all of you. So, we will say in Filipino, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Or magandang araw sa lahat. Then, in Cebuano, you'll say, maayong gabi sa tanan. Or maayong gabi kaninyo. Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Or maayong adlaw sa tanan. Okay? Then, in Boholano, maadjong adlaw. Then, in Surignon, marajaw na adlaw. Then, in Waray, maupay haadlaw. Then, in Ilonggo, maayong adlaw. Okay? So, that's for now, guys, for my first video that I am uploading for all of you guys up. And I hope it will give you a little help. So, please catch more videos soon, okay, to be uploaded. And please, I hope you like this, and I hope you will click the button of like, comment. If you have comments, you can comment down below, and then please subscribe my channel so that you will be updated for more videos. Okay, so these are for this video, guys, and God bless everyone, and spread love, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, everyone. Bye.